Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are unboxing the NESPRESSO Barista Festive Martini glass set. Now they recently had a promotion during Black Friday where if you purchased 12 sleeves, they would give you this free set of martini glasses. So that is exactly what I did. And now you will notice that my Nespresso selection currently is all decaf. I am a coffee fanatic. I love coffee. I've always loved coffee and I always will love coffee. However, coffee has recently betrayed me and I am on a decaf kick because it still gives you a little bit of caffeine, but it doesn't give you the shakes. So if anybody has a solution for that, do chime in the comments below because I imagine that some, experience that as well. In any case, I am also a massive espresso martini fan. You can imagine, coffee lover. What is a coffee lover's favorite cocktail? Probably an espresso martini, or in this case, a Nespresso martini. See what I did there? Of course, in moderation and at the appropriate legal age to drink. Awesome, moving on. So when we first unboxed these glasses, you will see that it comes with a care card, which is great. Let's take full care of these. So like when I open them, I just, rinse them off and then I store them in a awesome location. And I'm actually going to hand wash these to make sure that nothing happens to them. Now, taking a look at our glass for the first time, I'm overjoyed. I really do like Nespresso's glassware. We previously unboxed the coffee mugs on this channel and they are currently by far my favorite coffee mug to use. They do come in other styles and sizes and whatnot, like part of the Virtuo collection. So I will be picking up more of those and I cannot wait for Nespresso to release more gift with purchases so I don't have to spend my own money on them. Now we're getting a first look at our martini glass. Now I think it's pretty sturdy. I think it's pretty big. That's kind of my first overall impression. Like this is a lot of volume. Now, I know you don't have to fill it up all the way and perhaps there's something about the dynamics that, if you have a larger surface, maybe you get more foam. Maybe the foam lasts longer, maybe, all of the above. So I am really excited to start using these and see how that levels up. But overall, that was my first impression. They do have a cute little clink when you clink them together. So that is an awesome addition. And then the texture is so cool. If you are a texture person, these are a cool glass for you because they're going to be not only entertaining, but they're gonna look cool. They're just gonna be like a next level martini glass. Now, let me know what you think in the comments below. Have you tried these? Do you have them? Do you like them? Do you love them? How durable are they? I'll try to update you. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.